At the end of the year, most people's thoughts turned to the holidays. But not if you're a stock plan administrator. If you oversee equity plans, at the end of the year, you're thinking about Forms W-2 and 1099 and tax reporting. You can see here in my office, that's what I'm working on. Oh, what's that I see? It looks like I have some tips there next to my computer. I do. Oh, let's drill down onto what those tips are. The problem with year-end tax reporting is that it only happens once a year. And with anything that you only do once a year, it is really easy to forget what all the steps are. So my first tip for you is that I recommend creating a W-2 checklist. This is a list of all the equity plan transactions that need to be reported on Form W-2 and how to calculate the income for those transactions. It might even include the boxes on Form W-2 that income needs to be reported in. This is a great refresher for yourself, and it can be really helpful to review the checklist with your payroll team. My second tip is that there's no reason to wait until the end of the year to start auditing your W-2 amounts. I recommend that you audit the income that will be reported on Form W-2 on a quarterly basis. That way, when you get to the end of the year, you are only auditing 3 months worth of transactions rather than 12 months worth of transactions. My third tip is that if you have tax qualified plans and you have to file Forms 3921 and 3922, you just outsource that task. Trying to deal with electronic filings on the IRS's website is cumbersome. You don't want to be trying to figure out TCC codes and error reports if the filings don't work. And not only that, the copies of the statements that have to go to employees often have to be sent by snail mail. I am sure you have much better things to be doing with your time. And I have one last tip for you, which is that the NASPP has a ton of resources to help you with your year-end tax reporting. One suggestion I have is that you make sure to check out our webinar on year-end tax reporting. We do this every year in early December, and it is a great refresher on what you need to report for your equity plan transactions. We also have lots of other resources. I got W-2 checklists. I got FAQs for you. I got FAQs for your employees. I have other resources to help you educate your employees on their year-end taxable income for their equity plan transactions. We will include a bunch of links in the show notes. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you're notified when we post new videos and helps us out too. Win-win. Thanks for watching.